see England, you know.
Real talk.
I even run England, you know, the top man, this, you know. Jamaica, we love you, you know. Peace and love, you know, Maya.
Peace and love.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. Shout out to all of the gunners them out there, you know. Keep believing. One day until the end. 1 week, next week, season finish. Hopefully, Tottenham can do us a favor. But anyway, this is not about football. This is about some parents who shouldn't give birth and have pitney. See? Yeah. Some unprofessional parents, insecure parents, you know what I mean? Donkey parents. Please like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell, you know, you see me? Yeah, man. Monday morning, we say give thanks to life. Just forward that for the school run. You know it's child, you know the chap, you know me do my thing. They say it and hear the king. Give thanks to the sunshine, give thanks to the weather, give thanks to the rain, the sleet. Boy, the sun gone. Few days worth of sun, we give thanks for the sunshine. Because the people who out there enjoy the sun and have fun, and you know what I mean? Now the morning chilly again, them say rain is here again, so make sure you dress and prepare accordingly to the weather. Check the weather before you come out. Zane, and don't leave your umbrella. You know the British weather. Zane, big up my sister and brother. Yeah man, so we have a video with Busha Yeng, who I love to see that video. Big up myself, Busha Yeng. In general, my Dan. Zane. Busha Yeng are the first man put a gun in me, and me for Soli Calico was here. No for me hear me talk about Busha a lot over the years and the time on the platform. Well, now I see Busha in person now. Zed, big up yourself, Busha Yeng. Dilla, anyway, big up. Bigs, Zed forward man. Yeah, saying so, yeah man, Ragga Ruggie, big up yourself with us boss. You see me? Yeah, we also have a video with a parent, a dad. Jado style. The man take out him frustration upon him child. And the child ain't look more than 3 years old, maybe younger. I couldn't see what I go on, but we can't play the video because, you know, YouTube policy and things. See? But we can play, I run the wrist and play the sound. See? I'll let me know when the things start. You see me? But before that, my viewers and subscribers, please, I beg you, do remember to go and check out my EP, Welcome to Kingston. And we have 3 songs out there now, recently released. 4, as a matter of fact. One produced by I don't know, Gaza. You see me? Model, Jam Model, big up yourself, Jam Model. You see me I say? Yeah man, Universal Music, you know what I mean? Big up yourself. Is it? Jam Model. Yeah. Song name Amin. Amin feel up your breast them. Nice girl song, you know what I'm saying? And we have Now Stop Try. You see me? Bad song. You see me? Bonnie and Clyde, and What Is Wrong with Humanity. So we do the work. We're going to sing, we put in the work, you know, so when we get the opportunity to go and do the music, we have a whole heap of material out there, you know, can work with. You see it? So people will go and check it out. You see me? Yeah man, we're going to have a quick snippet.
To all the lovers of reggae music, here is 2 nice songs from Imeric and The Righteous Calling with him.
What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them so for vanity? Girl, I love you so badly. You make me happy. Will you marry me, baby?
Alright. Yeah man, the video them up on my YouTube page, so you can go check it out. See? So first and foremost, here where Busha Yeng I say. Busha Yeng.
Yes, man.
Yo, England, hold on, video shooting. The baddest, the cleanest, I'm going to run England. And the icon, this is what I talk to the Godfather, we are do it fast. You must talk Ragga Ruggie do at Jamaica, help out the youth, them, brought the bread, share and kind. Jamaica, see the top man for Pearland, see the top man for England, Busha Mag, Busha Tag, all this
Real
up.
talk, real done. You see Ragga my boss, Ragga go to Jamaica, go get the whole of the people, them thing. You see Front City youth, them, Ragga Ruggie, go deal with them straight. You see Ragga real youth. You see Ragga Ruggie, when it come on to Ragga have things in him heart for people. Me not say I'm a kind heart, I'm a good heart. I'm a genuine heart. So you see Ragga, real star. You see the youth here, him do better enough man for it. Carry things go get youth, old lady, people. Me don't like to do what him a do now as a general. Follow him footstep. Because Ragga, you have to follow Ragga step. Enough of the man them wanna see them artists to follow Ragga Ruggie step. You know they get up. Because them man fly down and give you things. See that shopping
shop with the shopping things in a bag. Everything are going in a barrel again because we are go back there the youth. Them are talking, we are broke bread. Kind, share and kind. And we are talking about peace and love. And broke the bread and kind to each other and one black love. And live good and no bad mind. And the boss is England, you know.
Real talk.
And you run England, you know, the top man, this, you know. Jamaica, we love on you know, peace and love in the Maya. Dreamer, Jamaica, peace we have all out for. Oneness, see there, peed up. Take care of the things, you know. And make sure poor people are right, you know. Everybody get a bag of rice and a little corn meal and a little sardine, you know. Give poor people things, you know. And give away something that we don't have money, you know. Give away things, you know. Busha Yeng, viral, this I go to them. Yo, Satan, love, oneness, Satan.
Yes, man, big up myself, Busha, real general. At one point in another video, I like a Busha say, him wish him could have do what Ragga do. See? So the man make you know, say, him not in the position for do what Ragga Ruggie do, you know, which is, you know what I mean? Make certain things go on and broke bread. Morning. Is it? And that's what me, yeah, I really talk that. So, you know, real, you see me realness, real people. Because some me talk to, wish me could have do what some man can do, but we have the heart but the pocket weak, you know. But we still try and make things, you know, still try to do what we can do. See, so big up myself, Ragga Ruggie, you know, Ragga Ruggie got yard ready and them man they preach love and unity all the time. And you know he's a funny character but a genuine brother, you see me? Yeah, you see it. So Ragga Ruggie broke bread. A long time Ragga Ruggie broke bread and share food, you see me? Yeah, so big up myself, Ragga Ruggie and thing, yeah, so anyway, you know, you don't know, big up the whole Brixton, you know. You see it? The whole Brixton, you know, my place, Scholar Valley. So I say, my Hartsfield. Yeah, man. Barrington Road, everywhere, man. The whole Brixton. No segregation. See? Yeah, man. So, here, watch up here. Listen this, my viewers and subscribers.
Why you keep on trying, you know, swallow it?
That's me. And you know why?
Swallow it down your throat. Swallow it. Swallow it. Get out of swallow it.
You make that choice. Go on.
Make up your mind to you now, swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it.
Jano Star. I don't know where my force the baby for eat, you know, but man, so light. And the child, come on, that's a child. That's disturbing, that just ruined my mood and my spirit. And I see it when I saw it this morning, that just ruined my mood and my spirit, Star. You see it? Big woman thing, man, the parent, they forget, a father, they forget lock up. Them for find him and lock him up for child abuse. Yeah, man. You know? That's brutality, man. How can you give the some hard slap, you know? And the worst thing, you see one leg, look on the leg. Like the mother there beside him, you know, sit down on the side. Somebody else step on the bed. That look like a good old mother leg that. You see me? I don't know what kind of frustration they might take out on the pitney. But that's, you know, I saw a Jamaica that still. You know, a Jamaica that. If I'm here overseas, England and America, you know, I'm like getting in trouble already. From the video going viral, they might find him and lock him up and charge him. And maybe take with the child too and put in a child care. You see me? But let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. You know, that's a no, that's wrong. We not work with that, we not accept that. At 2024 now, and parent, mother and father, we have to wise up. Things we used to do back in the days, I can't do no more. You see me? And don't have kids if you're not ready for bear the sacrifice and the frustration with them. See? Don't have them. Don't bring them into the world. And that's why some of the youths and my boys and girls them get bad and get misled and get in trouble and lose them life. And because the parents, bad parenting, you see me? Yeah, man. Bad parenting. Yeah, man. But let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers, man. I don't know. Going on now. Line up myself, hook up on the work. The all work, you know. Yeah, man. So we give thanks to life, you know. Health and strength, you know. The man of peace. Blessed.